Now we are going to solve. We are going to show this is our bit number 5. P minus Q divided by P ratio Q divided by P plus Q equals to R minus S divided by R ratio S divided by R plus S. Now from here we will first we consider its left hand side, which is P minus Q divided by P ratio Q divided by P plus Q. Uh, we have already find the values by using K method, which is P equals to QK and R equals to SK. So in place of P, I replace QK in left hand side. So in left hand side, in place of this P, I replace QK minus Q as it is, and in denominator there P, which is QK, we just change this ratio into division form, and in place of Q remaining as it is because we don't have value of Q, and divide by P plus Q. In place of P, I replace value which is QK plus Q. Now in this numerator there is Q is common, so by taking Q common, uh, the here K is remaining and minus we take Q common, so the remaining term is 1. So with K minus 1 divided by QK, we change this multiply into this divide into multiply form by taking reciprocal, by interchanging its numerator and denominator. So it become numerator, and in and here Q is common, so Q into K plus 1 divided by K. Q divided by Q. In numerator there is Q, and in denominator there is also Q. So Q cancel each other, and in numerator there is Q, and denominator there is Q also. So this Q cancel each other. Here K minus 1 is remaining, and in here K plus Q is remaining, or in denominator there is only K. K multiplied by 1 is equals to K. Here K minus 1, K plus 1. So we have formula A square plus minus B square, which is equals to A plus B into A minus B. This is the simplified form of this formula, so we will combine this. It become K square minus 1. In place of A there is K, and in place of B there is 1. So K square minus 1 square, 1 square means 1, this, and in denominator there is K. Now this is the simplification of left hand side. Now we are considering its right hand side. Right hand side is R minus S divided by R ratio S divided by R plus S. Now here we have the value that R equals to SK. So in place of R, replace SK. It become SK minus S divided by SK, and in ratio, which is just in division form. So by changing this division into multiplication, we just taking reciprocal. So in the denominator we replace R, which is SK, so it become numerator. Hence SK plus S divided by S. Now taking common S, here S is common, so by taking common S, S into K minus 1 divided by SK, multiply by taking S common, it become K plus 1 divided by S. S and S cancel each other, S and SK cancel each other. Here K minus 1 is remaining, and here K plus 1 is remaining, and in division here is K and here is 1, to K multiplied by 1 is equals to K. By using the same formula, A square minus B square equals to A plus B, A minus B. So here A minus B and A plus B, when we combine this each other, it become K square minus 1 divided by K, which is the solution of its right hand side. This so this means that the solution of left hand side and right hand side are equal to each other. Hence we have shown that the given equation is equal. Now the next question is question number 2. We have to prove, we have to show in question number 2, we have to show we have three ratios in proportion form. By using these three ratios, we have to show this question. So by using K method, first we consider that let A, we change this ratio into division form. A divided by B equals to C divided by D equals to E divided by F. By using K method, we let these are ratios equals to K. Now by separating this, A divided by B equals to K, C divided by D equals to K, and E divided by F equals to K. From here A equals to BK, and from here C equals to DK, and from here E equals to FK. But there B is in division form. When we shift this toward this side, it become A equals to BK, and here C equals to DK, and here. Now we have to show this question. So first we consider its left hand side. In left hand side, here A for B square plus A square E square minus E for F divided by B6 plus b square f square minus f5. We have values that a equals to bk and e equals to fk and c equals to dk. These we replace these value in the above question, which is left hand side. So in place of a, I replace bk and this power 4 as it is, and b square, we don't have any value of b, so it become as it is. We have a value of a, which is bk whole square, and in place of e we have value fk with whole square, and value of e, which is fk whole 4. Now we will simplify. This 4 is on b and k both, so when we separate this b4 and b square, b4 multiplied by b square, which is equals to b6, and k4 as it is, plus b, when we separate this square, b square k square, and here f square k square, b square f square come as it is, and k square combine multiply with each other, k square, which is k4 minus here f k whole 4. This means 4 is on f and k both, so f4 k4 f f4 and f multiply with each other, it become f5. Now from numerator, here k4 k4 and k4 is common in these in numerator, so by taking k common, the remaining term here is b6 plus b square f square, k4 common minus, and k4 common, the remaining term is f5 divided by b6 plus b square f square minus f5. These two terms, numerator and denominator, both are same, so these two terms cancel with each other, and the only we have term which is k4, which is the solution of its left hand side. Now we consider its right hand side. Right hand side is f4 divided by b4. Here we have a equals to bk. We have, by using k method, we find the value of a, which is bk. Now replace this value of a in this equation left right hand side. So in place of a, I use bk whole 4. This 4 is on b and k both, so I separate this 4 power 4, it become b4 k4 divided by b4, as it is b4 and b4 cancel each other, and it all come k4, which is solution of its right hand side. We have also simplified its left hand side, whose solution is k4, and also simplified right hand side, whose solution is k4. This means the left hand side and right hand side are equals to each other, hence we have hence shown. Now next question is, it's bit number 3. Here we have AC divided by BD plus CE divided by DF plus EA divided by FB equals to A square divided by B square plus C square divided by D square plus E square divided by F square. Now uh, by using K method, we will show that these two left hand side and right hand side are equal to each other. First, I consider its left hand side, which is AC divided by BD plus CE divided by DF plus EA divided by FB. Now we have already find by using K method, A equals to BK, C equals to DK, and E equals to FK. By replacing these values in the above left hand side, here in place of A, I replace BK, and in place of C I replace DK, in place of C I replace DK, in place of E I replace FK, and in place of E I replace FK, in place of A, which is BK. We don't have any value of BD, DF, FB, so they come as it is. Now we will multiply. Here K and K multiply with each other, K square, B multiplied by D, which is BD divided by BD as it is, D multiplied by F, DF, K multiplied by K, which is K square divided by DF, K multiplied by K square, F multiplied by B, which is FB divided by FB. Now here in numerator and denominator, BD is in numerator and in denominator also. So BD and BD cancel each other, DF and DF cancel each other. In third term, last term, FB and FB cancel each other. So the remaining term in first term, the remaining term is K square. In second term, remaining term is K square, and in third term also remaining term is K square. Now K square plus K square plus K square, which is equals to 3K square. This is the solution of its left hand side. Now consider its right hand side, which is a square divided by b square plus c square divided by d square plus e square divided by f square. Now in this right hand side we will replace the values we have already find. A equals to bk, c equals to dk, and e equals to fk. By replacing these values in place of a, I replace bk whole square divided by b square. We don't have value of b, so b become as it is. And in place of c, I replace dk whole square divided by d square, and plus in place of e, I replace fk whole square divided by f square. Now this square is on b and k both, so I separate this b square, k square divided by b square, plus here square is also on d and k, so I separate this d square, k square divided by d square, and in last term this square is also on f and k, so I separate this f square, k square divided by f square. Now here b square is in numerator and denominator, so k square, b square cancel each other. In second term d square and d square is in numerator and denominator, so these both cancel each other, and f square is in numerator and f square is in denominator, so these also cancel each other. So k square plus k square plus k square, these terms combine will become 3k square, which is our solution of its right hand side. Now check its left hand side. The solution of left hand side is also 3k square, and the solution of right hand side is also 3k square. This means that its left hand side and right hand side both are equal. Hence we have shown that this question is also same, this question is also equal. So we have complete our exercise 18.6. I hope it will be clear for everyone. If you have any confusion regarding any difficulty regarding this exercise, inshallah we will discuss in class, inshallah on Monday. I hope it will be clear. It's enough for today. It's the end of our lecture. Thank you for listening. Allah Hafiz.